Hello everyone and welcome to Spunky Girl Paper Co. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Recollections vertical planner using this beautiful printable kit from Paper and Gumption. This is their Secret Garden printable. For those of you who know me, you know that I loved the movie The Secret Garden as a kid. I seriously probably watched it every single day of 1995. So I was really excited to get this kit and I'm excited to use it. I'm going to start out by laying down the beautiful bottom washi. So these stickers are made for not a Recollections planner, so they're a little bit short, but that's okay. I'm gonna do my best. Just, ooh, that was pretty good actually. And a little bit of the lines will show at the end, but that's okay. I don't mind. It's nice to have a full kit again this week. Next, I'm going to lay down the full boxes. However, this kit does have this gorgeous double box that I think I'm going to try to use on the weekend. Ooh, it's already all connected. That's good. I'm actually going to put it up in my work column because obviously I don't have work on the weekend, so I think this double box will be perfect for that. By the way, I am using repositionable sticker paper. Just flip this around so I can actually put the sticker on. And it just makes it so much easier. And I figure if I'm printing out the stickers myself, I might as well spring for the slightly more expensive repositionable paper and save myself some hassle. Although, how much I'm saving myself, I don't know. Alright, there we go. Now that's down. Okay. Now I'm going to put down all of the date covers and headers, and I will play some music and speed this up so you don't have to sit through all of that. Now I'm going to go in with the rest of my full boxes. As you can tell, I've mostly tried to color block these days. So I'm going to try to match up as much as possible. And it helps that I only actually need 5 to match because of the full box. Next I'm going to go in with some meal little things, and just along the top of the bottom washi, I'm going to stick down a meal little thing for each day. Next I'm going to build my sidebar. I'm going to start with the quote box. which says she made herself stronger by fighting with the wind. Going to follow that up with the hydrate sticker from the kit. Next, I'm going to lay down one of these weekly trackers to help me track my lunches. Next, I will put down another tracker for my no spend, which is a constant fail, the no spend. I just saw this full box. That's so cute. Well, there's definitely enough stickers left for me to do at least one more plan with me, so I will leave that for next time. There are two little flags in the kit that are made to go on an Erin Condren planner where they have the flags, but I'm going to put them in this spread anyways. I'm just gonna, up in the top corners, I will place those. No sense wasting them. Now, at this point, it's looking to be a pretty easy week at work. I know that I have a big amount of work being released on either Tuesday or Wednesday. So I am going to stick down a quarter box to celebrate that. It's been a long time coming. We're all very excited. But other than that, I don't have any meetings planned yet. So I will save some of these stickers and fill those in as they come up. I am currently looking for an apartment because I need to move in a couple of months. So I'm sure viewings will fill up my week as well. At this point though, I don't actually have any plans. I'm astounded. So what I'm going to do at this point is fill in with some deco and actually wrap up this plan with me, and I'll just fill in more stuff as the week goes on. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Megan Ashley to see the midweek and full week spreads.
You'll notice that I'm also putting down some functional stickers. I don't know why it didn't occur to me to tell you guys about them while I was filming. I'm going to put down some cleaning stickers on Saturday and some grocery shopping stickers. I want to make sure to film a plan with me on Sunday, so a planner sticker. Thursday is payday for me, and I want to take some time for myself on Friday, so I put down a me time sticker.
Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this week's plan with me. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and hit that bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye!